Creating a broadcast channel on WhatsApp allows you to send message to multiple recipients without them seeing each other's reply. It saves you a lot of time. But how can you actually make a broadcast channel for your WhatsApp? It's super easy actually. What you need to do is go to doubleclick.io. It's a website that helps you to make this even easy. After clicking on the doubleclick.io, you have to open it in a new browser tab, click on new list, type the list name, and create a list. After create a list, you need to add the contact list. This create list is a contacts list. You can even import Excel from this, and this is a very good step that can help you. Now, after that, you can send a template, open a channel, click the send template button, choose the approved message template you want to use, click it, just use the template, and that's it. This is so simple. After that, you can even schedule your message timing and send later. This is totally up to you how you want to schedule it. After that, just simple, click it, double click it, you can track it performance. This is how double click helps you to track your different WhatsApp broadcast channels, to send your message to multiple recipients without spending so much time on one by one. And I'll see you in the next one.